Breaking news, Boy Mamabolo is taking ANC to court. Look what happened. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones. We're not TV. Please subscribe. ANC MP Boy Mamabolo takes the ANC to court on an urgent basis to challenge his removal and omission from the parliamentary list. According to the scene documents, Mamabolo alleges that the Electoral Committee Secretary-Chief Matsila told him to align with a certain faction. ANC Member of Parliament Boy Mamabolo has taken the African National Congress ANC to court in an urgent bid to challenge his removal or omission from the parliamentary list, according to documents seen by various sources. Mamabolo alleges that he was instructed by the Electoral Committee Secretary, Chief Matsila, to align himself with a specific faction within the party. Mamabolo's legal challenge comes amid growing tensions within the ANC over the composition of its parliamentary candidates list. The MP claims that his exclusion from the list was politically motivated and driven by internal factionalism within the party. Someone commented and said in his court documents, Mamabolo also pushes for the dissolution of the ANC Limpopo PEC, according to him, after it had failed to monitor the nomination list processes properly and therefore making the Limpopo PEC to be redundant. It was the Limpopo ANC PEC to be replaced by a special Limpopo Provincial Task Team to oversee elections. In his court application, Mamabolo urges that the ANC's decision to remove or omit him from the parliamentary list is unconstitutional and violates his rights as a member of the party. He has been unfairly targeted due to his refusal to align himself with a particular faction, and he is seeking urgent relief from the court to overturn the decision. And the legal battle between Mamabolo and the ANC underscores the deep divisions and power struggles within the ruling party. It highlights the challenges facing the ANC as it prepares for the upcoming elections and seeks to maintain unity and cohesion within its ranks. The outcome of Mamabolo's court case could have significant implications for the ANC and its leadership. If successful, Mamabolo's challenge could force the party to reconsider its candidate selection process and address allegations of factionalism and political interference. However, the ANC has vowed to vigorously defend its decision in court and has denied any wrongdoing in the selection of parliamentary candidates. The party maintains that its candidate selection process is transparent and fair, and that Mamabolo's exclusion was based on merit and party rules. As the legal battle unfolds, all eyes will be on the courts to determine the outcome of Mamabolo's challenge and its impact on the ANC's internal dynamics. The case serves as a reminder of the complexities and challenges facing South Africa's political landscape as parties navigate internal power struggles and prepare for the upcoming election. ANC MP takes party to court over his removal from parliamentary list. ANC MP Boy Mamabolo takes the ANC to court on an urgent basis to challenge his removal and omission from the parliamentary list. According to the SIN documents, Mamabolo alleges that the Electoral Committee Secretary Chief Matsila told him to align with a certain faction. A member of the African National Congress has taken legal action against his own party. The ANC Member of Parliament has filed a lawsuit after discovering that his name was omitted from the parliamentary list for representation following this year's elections. The decision by the ANC to remove the MP's name from the list has ignited a storm of controversy, with critics arguing that it highlights a concerning lack of contingency plans within the political sphere. While the reasons behind the removal remain unclear, it has sparked questions about the inner workings and decision-making processes within the ANC. The ANC, a historically dominant political force in South Africa, has faced mounting scrutiny over issues ranging from internal divisions to allegations of corruption. This latest development further underscores the challenges and tensions within the party as it navigates the complex landscape of South African politics. Critics of the ANC's decision to remove the MP's name from the parliamentary list argue that it reflects a broader problem within the political establishment. The absence of adequate fallback plans for politicians who find themselves sidelined or marginalized within their own parties. This lack of contingency planning not only affects individual politicians but also raises concerns about the overall stability and effectiveness of governance in South Africa. The decision to take legal action against one's own party is a rare and bold move within the realm of South African politics. It highlights the growing disillusionment and frustration among some ANC members within the party's leadership and decision-making processes. As the legal battle unfolds, all eyes will be on the outcome and its potential implications for both the ANC and the wider political landscape in South Africa. Will this case serve as a catalyst for greater transparency and accountability within the ANC, or it will deepen existing divisions and fuel further discord within the party? Only time will tell. Someone commented and said, "Perfect wedding." Another one commented and said, "So our politicians, with all their qualifications, they brag about it much. They can't be employed elsewhere but only in the parliament." Another one commented and said, "Entitlement and careerism replaced the community representation. We elect the ANC to give us these stupids." Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Dr. Jones, Wina TV. Please subscribe. Bye for now till we meet again next time. Subscribe.
shut down.